Good morning students, let's start exercise 2.3. First question, find 1 by 4 of first A1 1 by 4, B 3 by 5 and 4 by 3. Of it means multiply. So first we multiply 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. 1 ones are 1, 4 fours are 16. Answer is 1 upon 16. Then second B1, 1 by 4 into 3 by 5. 3 ones are 3, 4 fives are 20. C1, 1 by 4 into 4 by 3. Here C, 4 ones are 4, 4, 4, cut. 1 by 3 is your answer. This one 1 by 6 and here is 3 by 20. Multiply and reduce to lowest form if possible. Yesterday I explained you the lowest form. So here is first sum 2 by 3 and here is mixed fraction is given 2 integer 2 by 3. So first we change into simple fraction. 2 by 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 8 by 3. 3 is prime number, so it's not divisible by any number. So 8 2s are 16 upon 3. It is lowest form. And here also 1 by 3 into 15 upon 8. Here is 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. 5 by 8. Here is denominator is bigger, so we cannot change into mixed fraction, but here is possible. Let's we change into mixed fractions. 3 fives are 15 plus 1, 3 5 integer 1 by 3 is answer. And here is 5 by 8 is your answer. Multiply the following fraction. Simple. 3 3s are. Here is mixed fraction is given, so first we change to simple fraction. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3, 13 by 5 into 3 is equal to 39 by 5. So we change into mixed fraction. 7 integer 4 by 5 is your answer. Here also mixed fraction, so first we convert into simple fraction. 3 7s are 21 plus 4, 25 by 7 into p by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25 is equal to 3 fives are 15 upon 7. Here is improper fraction, so convert into mixed fraction. 17 2s are 14. 1 2 integer 1 by 7 is your answer. Which one is the greater? Here is comparison of two fractions, but here is of is given, so first we multiply. 2 by 7 into 3 by 4. 3 2s are 6 upon 14, or 3 by 5 into 5 by 8. 3 5s are 15 upon 40. So here is two fractions. We will get 6 by 14 or 15 upon 14. How we will find which one is greater? Here see, denominator and numerator both are different in both fractions. First we find LCM. 14 and 40. 2 7s are 20. Then 2 10. Then 2 5. Then 5. And then 7 ones are 7. See, 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28. 5 2s are 10. It means 280 LCM. LCM is 2 80. So first number 6 upon 14. By which number I multiply? So I will get LCM 14. So I am 4 5s are 20. I multiply by 20. 0 120. And here is 280 upon 40. 15 upon 40. So I multiply by 7 is equal to 105 upon 280. Which one is greater? Here 120 upon 280 is a greater. So which one is greater? 280. It means here is 120 upon 280 is corresponding with this 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. Here I write here 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 is greater than 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. Fifth problem sum. Sally plants 4 saplings in a row in the garden. The distance between two edges sapling is 3.3 upon 4 meter. Find the distance between the first and last sapling. Sally plant 4 saplings in this way. First here, first sapling starting, then gap, then second sapling, and gap between two saplings is 3 upon 4 meter. And second gap also 3 upon 4. Third sapling here and gap 3 by 4, and then fourth sapling, and here is 3 by 4. From the figure, from this figure, it can observe that gaps 1 and last sapling is 3. Observe first and last sapling. How many gaps? 3 gaps. 1, 2 and 3. Length of one gap 3 by 4 meter. Length of one gap is equal to 3 by 4 meter. Therefore, distance between 1 to 4 sampling, it means multiply. 3 multiply by 3 by 4. 3 3s are 9. 9 by 4. Here is improper fraction. So we convert into this fraction. 2 integer 1 by 4 meter. Therefore, distance between first to last sampling is 2 integer 1 by 4 meter. Questions of exercise 2.3. First one, provide the number in the box such that 2 by 3 multiplied dash is equal to 10 upon 30. Here is box is given and answer is 30. So by what number I give multiply here? So I will get 30. It is simple. 3 tens are 30. So I write here 10. And here is 10. So which number I multiply here? 5 twos are 10. So 5 by 10. Second, the simplest form of the number of 10 in box. Then in box, which number we obtain? 5 upon 10. 5 upon 10. Simplest form. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Is 1 by 2. Let's come on exercise 2.4. 2.4 first question. Find 12 divided by 3 by 4. Here is division. In division, first we remove the sign of division and we give sign in multiply. But when the division sign convert into multiply, so we do first here reciprocal of 3 by 4. Reciprocal, it means we write denominator as a numerator and numerator as denominator. It means reverse. So I write 4 upon 3. Then 3 and 12. 3 comes 4 times in 12. So 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So here is 4 into 4 is equal to 16. Is your answer. Then second one, 5. I convert division into multiply. And here is mixed fraction is given first. So I convert into simple fraction. 3 sevens are 21. 21 plus 4 is 20. 5 upon 7. 7 is prime number. It's not reduced by any number. 25 5s are 75. 75 upon 7. Here is improper fraction, so we convert into mixed fraction. I explain you divide by division. Here 7 ones are 7 0 5. It's not divisible, so write there 0. So 10 integer 5 upon 7 is your answer. Then same way here also, question number 2, 7 upon 3 divided by 2. Here is not any number, we write there 1. So I convert division into multiply. Reciprocal this number, it means 1 by 2. Here is 7 upon 6. Convert into mixed fractions. 1 integer 1 upon 6. Here is mixed fraction is given. So we convert into simple fraction. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 3. 31. Here is not any number in upon. So we write here 1. Then convert sign division into multiply. Then I convert in reciprocal. So 1 upon 7 is equal to 31 upon 49. And it is proper fraction, so we cannot convert into mixed fraction. Then question number 3. 2 by 5. Multiply. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1. 3 by 2. 2 cancel is equal to 3 by 5. Here is 3 5 5 is proper fraction, so we cannot convert into mixed fraction. Here is both fractions are given in mixed fraction. So first we convert into simple fraction. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1 11 by 5. 5 ones are 5 and 6 by 5. 11 by 5. Multiply. Reciprocal. So 5 by 6. 5 cancel. 11 upon 6. It is mixed fraction. We can convert into mixed fractions because it is improper fractions. 6 ones are 6. So answer is 1 integer 5 by 6. Students, this is your homework. Multiply and reduce to lowest form. Multiply the following fractions which is greater, and these two is problem sums, and find all 6 sums are in division. Okay students, to be continued with next class.